Hello, it's Pamela here, and you are on the Crochet Adoring Dog Clothes channel. I would just like to show a few items that I've been working on and a few items that I have gotten finished. Let's see, we'll start with the line. I am working on the Wizard of Oz series for the doll patterns, and I finished him a while back. Here's this little tail. And it's a one-piece suit, and it just buttons in the back right here. And this is his little mane here, and it just slips on the doll. But there's my line, and I have my Tin Man is next, and this is what I've gotten done so far on the Tin Man. And it will button in the back as well. I am working on the hat right now. I've got a little bit of it done, but it's not complete, but I should have it done by tomorrow. But I plan on doing Dorothy and the Scarecrow, and I'm gonna try to do both of the witches. We'll see, because to me they seem a little bit hard. I don't know, and but they'll be great for Halloween. So I'm definitely going to try to do them. But I would like to have all that done for the for my series, the Wizard of Oz series of patterns. So yeah, so tickled over that one. Okay, let's see. Now I've been showing you my pattern, my poncho that I'm making for my sister. And I am not finished with it yet, but here is how much I have done. Right here. And this is a pattern that I got off of Bag O' Day. It's a very simple pattern, and you're basically working in the back loop. So very simple. It just double crochet. Yeah, very simple. And I'll show you what it, let's see. Here, that's how much I have done so far. This is from one skein. Just one, and I've gotten that much done. So I love this yarn, by the way. I had no idea I was going to like it. It was my first time to try it, and I bought it because I liked the color. The texture felt okay, but as I got to working with it, I'm like, I really like this yarn. So I'm going to definitely buy me some more of it and make me one of these ponchos as well, like hers, but probably a different color, because if you remember, I still have my other Bag O' Day one that I made for me in the scarfy, and it was this one right here, if you haven't seen it in one of my past videos. So, I do have the black, white, and gray already. So I will make me one in that, but in a different color. Okay. Here is, I used, like I said, one of these for that. That's how much I got done with one of these. So this should take care of it. Just one more. So 2 skeins of this. What's good about this is, I think it was $10.99, and I got it 40% off at Joann's. So I got a good deal on it. But it is upside down. It is medium for weight, it says, and 595 yards in this right here. And that's how much I got done with one of these. So it's definitely a good value for the money, and it feels good too. Usually these type of yarns, I have to wash them to get them softened up, but this one already feels good. So if you're interested in making it, this is what my outcome is so far, is probably about 2 of these. And anyway, so Caron Jumbo is what I bought. Oh, and then the color. It is called Dalmatian, if you're interested, if you like that. We'll take a look at it one more time up close so you can see it. And it's Dalmatian. And then the underside, or the inside, looks like this. Yeah. So I should be done with this in a few days, and I'll be able to give it to my sister. Oh yeah, and then the other thing I want to show you is I finished the shawls for the two ladies at church. Now, I've already showed everyone this one, but I did add the tassels to it. This one was, the color is Petunia, and it's Premier DK color, but if you did not see my other video, this one is it. And I have picot edging, and then I added some tassels. Let's see. There we go. So that one is Petunia, and I will be giving these to two of the ladies at my church that happen to be sisters, and pretty excited about giving it to them. But yeah, so that's the Petunia color if you're interested in that. And this is what it looks like. I ordered this, I think, from Hirschner's. It's DK colors, and it's 383 yards, and it's a 3 light is what I chose for it. And this one that I'm fixing to show you, I finished yesterday, and it is Carnation is the color of it. Oh, and it does take 2 of these, technically 3 actually, but what I did is I used both of these on it, and as you can tell, the edging right here and the tassels I used, because I didn't have enough yarn in the DK, so I used some of this Caron Simply Soft that I already had, and it is fuchsia color. And because it was the closest I had that had that same sheen to it, I guess you could say. It's, you know, kind of like the shine. The texture was definitely the same, but it's a medium 4-weight. But this Caron Simply Soft is thin enough to be pretty equal to a 3 light. So I chose this, and I used this for the border. It's a thin 4-weight, this Caron Simply Soft. So, matter of fact, I do not use this. I bought some of this to use for my doll patterns, but it is too thin for the outcome that if someone was to work some of my patterns and they went and bought the medium 4-weight, because this says medium 4-weight, they may not have the same outcome as I have with my pattern. So I try to stick to the Red Heart and the, can't remember what the Mainstay, sometimes I'll use that. So I try to stick with those so that anyone that buys my patterns, they can go to Walmart and, you know, just buy the simple yarn. But yeah, so I do have this in a few colors that I had bought, but like I said, I can't use it for the pattern. So I'll be using it for personal use, obviously. But anyway, so that's what I use. So if you're interested in making one of these shawls, you'll need 2 to 3 skeins of yarn. Oh, because this, and I think I might have told you, this is, how many yards is on this? Oh yeah, 383 yards. You need little over 2 of those. So here is the one that I finished. Oh yeah, and I used a 6.0 millimeter hook. And this is the Carnation color that I did. So here's my other one. And it has tassels with it as well. So, and then here it is. What it is to make that pooch, it is a single crochet, a triple crochet, and another single crochet. And you work that when you're on the back side, so that when you come around to the front, the triple poops out like this and gives it that textured look. And I got this pattern from Bag O' Day as well. So I will leave the links in the bottom of the description box for you guys. But yeah, I'm really proud of this, and I can't wait to give this to the ladies today. This is, like I said, this is the Carnation one. And there's, let's see if I can kind of stand up a little bit. There's the back side. So yeah. So anyway, yep, I believe that is all I've got to share today. I will have another video later this week because I have a few shout outs that I want to take care of that I'd like to recognize and say thank you to for helping me with my channel. I am now up to 269 subscribers. Woohoo! So I'd like to say thank you to all you subscribers, and thank you for staying a subscriber and helping me build up this channel. I had no idea that there was a crochet community out there, and I love crochet. I mean, that is all I want to do is crochet, crochet, crochet. I want to learn about crochet. I want to read about crochet, and it is exciting to know that there's an outlet that I can go to and actually talk about crochet and show off the things that I've created, and that there's people out there actually interested in what I'm doing and what I'm making and the yarns that I buy, because I know I'm interested in the things that all of you that have the crochet channels, I love watching what all you've bought, and it helps me with knowing where to buy my yarns and what kind of yarns I need to avoid and what kind of yarns would be good for this shawl or that shawl or this poncho and things like that. So I'm having the time of my life. I just want to let you know that this is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying this part of the crochet and stuff. I had no idea. I just discovered this just a few months ago, that there was even a crochet community. So I just want to say thank you to everyone. I hope you're enjoying this channel, and please come back. Please do the thumbs up and subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye.